Bajaj Finance will be picking up 10% stake in MobiKwik for about 225 crores. Bipin Preet Singh is the CEO of MobiKwik. He now joins in to chat a little bit more about that. So tell us a little bit about the stake sale. What synergies will both leverage going forward, given that it also has an insurance arm, Bajaj Finserve?
So, as you know that Bajaj Finance is very strong in consumer lending as well as general insurance and also they have life insurance businesses. But their focus has been more on the brick and mortar, kind of lending, whereas MobiKwik is in the digital space, in the digital payment space, and has 55 million users, as well as a wide reach of merchants and a deep understanding of product technology, especially on mobile. So this partnership is about leveraging the core strengths of these two institutions and creating a joint offering for the combined user base of both the companies, which will be in the excess of 100 million users. We believe that together we'll offer an app to 100 million plus users.
So will the funds be used for growth, or will some of it also go towards the exit for existing investors?
We are going to use the funds from this transaction primarily for strengthening our product and delivering it as part of this partnership, where for MobiKwik users as well as for Bajaj users, we'll be creating a joint offering where they'll be able to use both a debit wallet as well as a credit wallet, and maybe even access services like insurance directly from the MobiKwik app. So most of the funds will go towards this innovation around product development, as well as expanding the footprint of MobiKwik across more and more merchants throughout not just the metros, but also the tier 2 and tier 3 towns of India, because now we have a much stronger value proposition compared to any other wallet in this country. As far as existing investors is concerned, we currently don't have any plans of any investor exiting.
Now, you have said in the release that the conclusion of the transaction is subject to the fulfillment of certain conditions. The company has also entered into a shareholder agreement which would become effective on conclusion of the above investment transaction. Give us details on these two aspects.
So I think, I believe that, that's part of the, regulatory disclosures done by Bajaj Finance, as they are a publicly listed company both on BSE as well as NSE. And what it means is basically certain procedural steps need to be completed before the transaction gets consummated. We don't see any problem in completing any of those steps.
So how will this help you take on rivals like Paytm and also banks like now Axis Bank, which is armed with free charge?
So I believe that, Bajaj partnership is great for us because over the last, if you look at their track record over the last 10 years, they have acted in, like a bank only, and a lot of their customers, they have built a large franchise, which is very strong and very large and profitable. You can't say the same about a lot of the banks that you're referring to. I believe that Bajaj is a very good fit for us because I think at an institutional level they are much more focused and much more deeper in terms of what they are doing, and not distracted by a lot of regulation which comes in the way of banking. So therefore, this is actually a much better position for MobiKwik to be in, rather than tying up with a bank where, technically speaking, we all know how fast banks work in India.